everybody, it's Jeff from New York. We are back in Manhattan, and today we're going to visit Eataly, the Flatiron location located at the intersection of 23rd and 5th. We have visited and posted videos of other Eatalys on this channel, including the downtown location, which is at the World Trade Center, and the one at the Park MGM on the Las Vegas Strip in Las Vegas. So let's go inside and check this place out. Eataly's philosophy is simple. It's to gather under one roof high-quality food at sustainable and reasonable prices for all, celebrate Italian biodiversity, and create an informal, natural, and simple place to eat, shop, and learn. This place has everything Italian, including some restaurants, some bars. There's a beautiful coffee shop, some great selection of wine, desserts, and Italian pastries, and of course gelato. Seafood, meats, bakeries, you name it. If it's Italian, it's in this store. Here's Alla Palla, where they make fresh pizza. I'm gonna have to stop off here later. This here is the main checkout area. Those doors lead out to 23rd Street. Here's one of several bars in Eataly. I'm here early in the morning, so it's kind of quiet at the bars, but it's a great place to stop for some Italian nosh and a nice glass of wine. Wow, Italian nosh. How diversified is that for a New Yorker? Some tableware, stemware, flatware, everything for the table. Don't forget to look for Cabby, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabby is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. So this is the third Eataly we're visiting on this channel. Again, we saw the one down on World Trade Center and the one on the Las Vegas Strip. This one's definitely the smaller of the three so far that we visited. And I do have to say that Eataly is not set up like a normal grocery store, which it really shouldn't be considered a normal grocery store. There's no grid in these Eatalys, no easy way to walk around. It's very easy to get lost, but there's nothing wrong with that, is there? However, sometimes I feel like I'm walking in circles. And here's the butcher area for all the fresh meats. Check out in between this couple coming up, the rib roast. I think it's a rib roast in between them in the cooler. I think that belongs to Fred Flintstone.
And now over here you got your dried pastas. What, do you want some fresh? We got that too.
Here's some bakers making some fresh bread. I wish you could smell it. Lots of places to sit down and get served delicious food if you want that, or you can walk around, buy some stuff, and find a table and sit down and enjoy it yourself with no service. It's up to you. Just a quick tip, if there's place settings on the table already, that means it's a place where you're going to get served. If there's no place settings, well then it's a free-for-all and you can feel free to eat whatever you'd purchased in the store. All sorts of sauces and or gravies, if you will, olives, olive oil, vinegars, everything. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. By the way, that $50 gift card giveaway is coming up soon, folks. If you're already subscribed, you're already entered. Eataly has a pretty large seafood area. Hey, is it cold in here or is it me? There you have the fishmonger, mongering his fish. Here's a place where you can pick up an Italian sub, or hero, or grinder, whatever you might call it. What do you call it and where you're from? Leave a comment below. Here's some Parmesan cheese. There's lots of cheeses coming up. Italian candies. Different types of cannoli shells, large ones, small ones, chocolate dipped ones. The filling is sold separately, which it should be, so you can stuff them right before you eat them, which is how it should be. If you stuff them a little bit too soon or buy them stuffed at the store, they just get wet and soggy. And nobody likes a wet and soggy cannoli, right? Well, am I right? Look at all these Italian pastries. I'll take one of everything, just put them in a whole bunch of boxes. A huge selection of coffees and teas. More coffees than teas. Italians really aren't known for tea. Here's the Eataly coffee shop, which is conveniently located right on 5th Avenue. You don't need to walk through the entire store to grab a cup on the go. You just walk in from the 5th Avenue entrance. All kinds of cheeses, my biggest downfall. You can take away the chocolate, you can take away the pasta, but don't take away my cheese. This is pretty cool, a cooking demonstration, but if you notice, it's not just the public. There's a whole bunch of employees here as well. Of course, they need to know all about the products and how to prepare them in case they're asked questions. Some beautiful produce. I always said Manhattan has the best produce and cut flowers in the world. And not just here at Eataly, but everywhere in this borough. It's just wonderful, fresh stuff. A whole section on olive oils, each with its own card full of information. Kind of like a really good wine shop. This is kind of like a grab and go section, a little bit of everything from the store in one location right by the front door in case you're in a rush. And I show you the dry pasta, now you got the fresh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is New York. Some crazy good looking and smelling flatbreads. They're just starting to put these flatbreads out by the entrance on 23rd Street. This is a grab a slice and go kind of place here. Some good looking healthy greens. And oranges. Jarred spices. And all types of mushrooms. Here's a classroom right off of 23rd Street for cooking lessons. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.